What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Mother and You by Justin Bieber. I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description and pinned comment below, so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's an example of what it's going to sound like. As y'all can see, I have a capo on the 3rd fret. Every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You only need to know 3 chords for the song. Those 3 chords are C, G6, and A minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is C. We're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string and 3rd fret of the A string. And it's going to sound like this. Next chord is G6, so we're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the A string and the 3rd fret of the low E string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. The chord progression is going to go C, G6, C, G6, C, G6, A minor 7. So just take note that we're going from C to G6 and we're repeating that 3 times before we hit the A minor 7. Also take note that when we strum the C chord, we're going to hammer on to the B string of the 1st fret. Okay, so when we do that first strum, okay? And you can hear that in the song as well. I'm going to put the strumming pattern on the bottom of your screen, and I'm just going to play the chord progression for you guys. So just pay close attention and take note of the strumming pattern. That's just an example of what you can do, but by all means, if you figure out another way that you want to strum the song, you can go ahead and do so. You are the creator, but that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you do have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them when I can. If you liked this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While you were here, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media platforms. I have Instagram and TikTok. I'll link those down in the description and pinned comment below. I have other tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and follow me there. Also, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you like this tutorial and want more like this. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out. I think you'll like that one as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video.